I'm back from the dead, I'm about to take over this shit absolute. Fuck if you doubt me, I don't give a damn, one finger salute. Kill yourself now if you thought I was done, if you thought I was quitting. The shit in my blood with G in the sun, you gotta be kidding. These kings said get up, so I got them. Fattening my wallet cause I'm after these bills like I'm Hillary Rodham. Never need a ghostwriter cause my lines fire off the dome like I'm Ghost Rider. And these niggas be hating me, snapping on tracks like with Stacy. Blogs and critters be trying to rate me. How you gon' question, you cannot relate to me. This is like when a Super Saiyan meets Mega Godzilla. Look at the viscera, please don't you blame me. It's in my nature, I am not sorry. This is just how God made me. Nigga, we made it. Nigga, we made it. You hear what I'm saying? Could've been in these streets like I'm part of the pavement. Boy, I'm trying to make a statement. Just got back from my hiatus. Trying to get traded, the team blackout weekend. Gotta talk to my agent. Fourth wall, the beast king. Boy, this shit bump like a bee sting. Calling fouls on these other niggas cause they reaching for a throne that they know I'm keeping.
When you absolutely, positively got to kill every motherfucker in the room, except no substance.
I flow when I came to the scene, these niggas, they hated me. Patiently waiting from prequel to sequel. I'm Neo, I'm Matrix, I'm killing this trilogy. Find another nigga trill as me. Scope down through Dallas, nigga Kennedy. Assassinate my character, nigga bear me, but barely. Got the Hollywood demeanor, fucking Beverly. Heavenly kerosene on my breath while I'm drinking Hennessy. Turn these fake niggas enemies. They killing me, trilling me, cause they feeling me, cause they wanna be like Beast, you bitch. Hold it, Barbarian Conan. Like Julius Caesar, got the world on me, Pisa, and I'm wild on the strip Giza. Since Virginia dropped, these virginities pop, and instead the maze, like a farmer with a crop. I'm just saying like Super Saiyan 3, you're a rap queen, shit without beast, king beastin' up in and say life's a bitch. Now ejaculate in her, then I kiss her lips. It's like fucking come quicker, I'm the motherfucking Minuteman, nigga. Nigga, 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 we made it from the slaves to the pyramids. It's Shark Creek, period. That's what it feels like when they try to fucking hammerhead with a flat screw. Beast Nation, eradication. Y'all niggas ain't come with shit. No masturbation, no procreation. I'm the god of this realm, no idolization. Beast King, fourth wall. This is rapper damnation.